Every time that we open a new location, a Quick Quack car wash, we do a fundraiser for someone in need in the community. And what we like to do is reach out and find someone that has a specific need, and then do a fundraiser for 4 or 5 hours and let people donate for these causes.
In January, I went into the emergency room with pneumonia and sepsis, and they basically saved my organs and it killed my limbs. Quick Quack helping our family it's so awesome. It's going to help us out so much to put towards everything we have going on. I have medical bills and my prosthetics coming up. There's so many things. Everything helps, and so it's so appreciated. It's so kind, so kind.
You know, the community is really important to Quick Quack. Not only our team members are from the community, but we want to be that neighbor. We want to do everything we can in this neighborhood and do what we can to help them.
After the fundraiser, we start 10 days of free. This is our 9th location in Utah County that we've opened so far, and up to this point we've washed over 150,000 cars for free in Utah County.
I'm just happy. I'm happy being here. This is so cool to see the community come out and do such a kind thing. And this is great. This is so cool to be here today. It's fun.
We're just excited for this business. Our economy is #1 in the nation, and it's because of businesses like this and people employing people like this company does. We think it's a great company. We're glad to welcome them to Provo.